Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vigilant Driving School. Today, our topic is turning right. As we discussed in our previous topic, how we're going to turn left when we're approaching a junction from minor to major road. Today, we will be discussing how we're going to turn right when we're approaching a junction from minor to major and major to minor road. So, let's start without further ado. So, we're going to follow the same routine as previously: mirror, signal position, speed, gear, and look. So, which mirror we going to look first? Because we're turning right, so we're gonna check center mirror and right mirror, then we're gonna signal right, and then we're gonna take our position towards the right side of our lane, just close to the white line and left of it. And after we have taken our position, then we're gonna slow down our speed, which means we're gonna start applying brake gradually. And then we are going to change our gear into first gear just when we are almost about 2 cars length distance from the giveaway line. And as we approach the giveaway line, we must stop straight position. So our car should be facing straight across towards 12 o'clock position and making sure we are not going out of the white line. And once we stop there, what we do look around and apply LADA again. Look, assess, decide, and act. So this is how we do our left turn from minor to major road. So let's move to now how we gonna do turn left from major to minor. So we're gonna follow the same routine of MSPSGL when we are turning from major to minor. So the first thing, as usual, we're gonna check center mirror, right mirror. Then we're gonna signal right, and we're gonna position towards right, close to the center line, just left of it. And then we're gonna signal speed slow down by braking, and then we are getting into first gear if we are expecting to be stopped. If there is a car or traffic coming from the opposite side, then we have to stop. If we are stopping, then we're gonna change to first gear. If we are not stopping, it's clear and we can turn in one go. We can do that in second gear. Second gear is a good gear for turning from major to minor if it's not too tight or narrow road. So when we are turning, before turning, we're doing look with LADA, look, assess, decide, and act. And we should wait until we reach to the point of turn. So we are not going to cut the corner. So this corner, we are not going to cut. If you cutting this corner, you will be penalized by the examiner, and it can be also a serious fault depending on the situation there. So always avoid cutting the corners when you're going in and out of the road. Okay, so this is how we do our turning right from minor to major and major to minor. If we just follow these basic simple steps, we will have no problem at all on the test day. We are not going to miss our signal. We're not going to have wrong positioning, or we're not going to have wrong gear. We are approaching in an appropriate speed, and our observation will be good. All these things, by keep doing it from the basics, they will become our second nature, and we will be naturally doing it without we are knowing it. So just keep doing these things and keep following the basic routines. And if you like it, please share it with your friends and your family members, and keep watching us. Stay tuned with us. Stay vigilant. Thank you for watching.